19
19.
19.
في المطبخ.
In the kitchen.
In the kitchen.
ألديك مطبخ جديد؟
Do you have a new kitchen?
Do you have a new kitchen?
ماذا ستطبخ اليوم؟
What do you want to cook today?
What do you want to cook today?
أتطبخ بالكهرباء أم بالغاز؟
Do you cook on an electric or a gas stove?
Do you cook on an electric or a gas stove?
هل أقطع البصل؟
Shall I cut the onions?
Shall I cut the onions?
هل أقشر البطاطا؟
Shall I peel the potatoes?
Shall I peel the potatoes?
هل أغسل الخس؟
Shall I rinse the lettuce?
Shall I rinse the lettuce?
أين الأكواب؟
Where are the glasses?
Where are the glasses?
أين الأطباق؟
Where are the dishes?
Where are the dishes?
أين طقم أدوات المائدة؟
Where is the silverware?
Where is the silverware?
أعندك فتاحة علب؟
Do you have a can opener?
Do you have a can opener?
أتطبخ الحساء في هذا القدر؟
Are you cooking the soup in this pot?
Are you cooking the soup in this pot?
أتقلي السمك في هذه المقلاة؟
Are you frying the fish in this pan?
Are you frying the fish in this pan?
أتشوي الخضر على هذه المشوى؟
Are you grilling the vegetables on this grill?
Are you grilling the vegetables on this grill?
أنا أجهز السفرة. أعد المائدة.
I am setting the table.
I am setting the table.
ها هي السكاكين والشوك والملاعق.
Here are the knives, the forks, and the spoons.
Here are the knives, the forks, and the spoons.
ها هي الأكواب، الصحون، وفوط السفرة.
Here are the glasses, the plates, and the napkins.
Here are the glasses, the plates, and the napkins.